What I recommend is to have a plumbing company come in and actually take their camera and go all the way through the main and inspect it from, start to finish to see the condition of the actual line itself. Is there any, excess buildup? Is there any damage to the line? Those are things that might not immediately be visible because you'll see the running water. See everything is going through perfectly fine, or you might be able to snake it and you say, "Oh, okay, everything's back to normal." Do not do that.